Hi, I'm Cathey, the Plumbing Supervisor here at Isley's Home Service. Today we are going to talk about why water pipes make noise and a few solutions on how to eliminate the problem. Water hammering, loose piping, and high water pressure can all cause your pipes to vibrate and rattle. Water hammering can occur when pipes aren't properly strapped or the straps come loose, resulting in a vibration sound in the framing of the house. By securing the piping using proper straps, this can reduce or eliminate the hammering sound. High water pressure is another cause of banging pipes. You can lower the water pressure with a water pressure regulator. Most newer homes have one installed where the main water supply enters the home. If you do not have a water pressure regulator, Isley's recommends that you have one installed, as high water pressure can cause expensive damage to your plumbing system and fixtures. If you have a problem or any questions, please feel free to give Isley's a call at 480-736-1805. Thanks for watching.